to give you a brief look into what VoIP, or Voice over IP, looks like in ServiceMonster 6. Take a look. With VoIP integrated with your ServiceMonster 6, you'll receive calls like this one in the corner. There are two different URL setup options for VoIP. One answers through the quick add, and the other a general search. Let me show you our more popular option via the quick add. With both options, you get notification of a call, like this one down here. All you have to do is click on the number, and it will automatically open the quick add with the customer correlated to that number already listed under possible matches. To open their account, simply select their name, and it autofills their information for you. Keep in mind that if they're calling to book work, you can create and schedule a job right from the quick add. But to quickly go to their account, simply select Done. Important to note that, like normal, you can make any changes to their account site. The second option is this, the call opening a general search like this one. Notice it lists the customer correlated with that phone number. From there, you can click on the account to view their information. Same as the quick add option, you can easily alter anything in the account once you're inside. And that's VoIP. Remember, if you have any more questions, you can rewatch this video at any time or contact our amazing support team. For more online training, please visit our website at www.servicemonster.net/help. We are here to help you.